In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. In this video we are going to discuss lecture number 2 of chapter 1 of Computer Science for 10th class. So, stay with us. Today's topic is problem-solving methods. We will discuss steps to solve any kind of problem. The first step is problem identification. It means we need to know what the problem is. The second step is specify requirements. It means users don't know exact problem. We need to find the requirement of the users. The third step is analyze the problem. This is the process of determining users' expectation. The fourth step is design algorithm and draw flowchart. It involves 2 sub-steps, to solve the problem and to map the flowchart in graphical form. The fifth step is write the program or coding. In this step the developers of the program will use a specific language to develop the software. The sixth step is test and debug the program. In this step the testing team will detect presence of errors. If found, they will remove those errors. The seventh step is implement the program. The program will be installed and run. The eighth step is maintain and update the program. New features may be added in this step. The last and most important is step number 9, document the program. It means documentation of whole program is necessary. Please provide your feedback to help us in improving our content for you. Your suggestions will be highly appreciated. Please like this video and subscribe our channel.